okay, it's Friday, that's for sure. 500 and some odd thousand 10 years, about half of recent averages. Very narrow range day, kind of choppy. Bonds unchanged, notes down, 2 ticks with 40 minutes before the pit close. I don't know. There ain't a whole lot to say here. This is one thing I'll give you. Inside day trade today. Minor trend change indicator. Projects a move to retest today's lows at some point early Monday. Do with that what you will. I'm not going to sit here the rest of the afternoon while we trade in a, we've been, 23.5 to 25.5 in the 10-year for about 2 hours, and the bonds have been 14 to 17 for about 2 hours. Not much to do there. Put a gun to my head, I'd say probably have a small short, but I'm not going to do that. I still think the bigger risk is upside. 10-year note, bullish engulf on the weekly chart. Not seeing the same thing on the bonds. They haven't rallied as much as the 10 years have. So I guess that's 50% longer term bullish idea. I'm still pretty bullish. I think next week, early in the week, we have a ton of Fed buying. There's 2 buybacks on Monday of good size. And I think because the holiday the week after, they're front loading everything next week. And there's buybacks every day. Like I said, 2 on Monday. No auctions that I can find. Yes, besides the usual T-bills, there's no coupon auctions next week. They announced 2s, 5s, and 7s on Thursday. No big deal. No data really on Monday. A lot of Fed talk next week. They're going to whip us around again with their nonsense. Taper, no taper, this, that. Just turn them off. Do away with the Fed. They're useless. More damage than good, unfortunately, but that's my rant for the Friday afternoon on a slow day. So my game plan is to try and buy a dip back down towards some kind of a lower low. The low in the bonds today is 132.05. Looked at some levels down around 132 even to 131.31, and in the notes we had good support at this 18.5 level that held. And I could see maybe a minor new low in the notes, that kind of thing. I've been seeing that a lot lately, where the bonds will hold a certain support level and the notes will drift through it by a couple ticks and then come back and recover it again. So looking for a little bit of weakness early, maybe Sunday night, Monday morning, and then buy them for the double buyback on Monday morning from the Fed. Pump it up, Ms. Yellen. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you on Monday.